A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student. Now this one is your English period. Now today we already completed the four chapters and the poems of the after the chapters. So now we are in the fifth chapter. The name of the fifth chapter is a different kind of school. So students, let's discuss about this chapter. So what you need to do is I'm giving you the homework that you have to read out the whole chapter, and then after you have to understand. You maybe understand at the time after completing the chapter, you can understand the meaning of the chapter. Only the thought is that, right? So the thing is that, so we'll let us learn about the chapter. So in this chapter, the chapter is being written by Evie Locus. The name of the writer is Evie Locus, and in this chapter, writer describe about a different kind of school. So what is this? This lesson is a type of message about how doing a simple things. Uh, this lesson is a message about how doing simple things can make learning more interesting and easier. Learning while doing is the best way to learn different things. Moreover, other than learning routine things, we need to make ourselves aware and concerned about our environment and its problem. How we can make children more responsible and aware citizens. To know this, so regarding that concern, we'll talk about the same thing in this chapter. Now, this one is the first page of the chapter. Now, moving forward to do the same one. So, the different kind of school. I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam School, but not till last week I did the chance to come to visit it. When I arrived, there was no one sight but a girl of about 12. Her eyes were covered with a bandage, and she was being led carefully between the flower bed by a little boy who was about 4 years younger. She stopped, and it looked like she asked him who had come. She seems to be describing me to her. Then they pass on. Mr. Beam was all that I had expected, middle age, full of authority, yet kind of understanding. Her hair was being to turn grey, and she had the kind of plump figure that is likely to be comforting to a homesick child. I asked her some questions about her teaching method, which I had heard were simple. No more than is needed to help them to learn how to do things. Simple spelling, adding, subtracting, multiply, and writing. These rest is done by reading to them and by interesting talks during which they have to sit still and keep their hands quiet. There are practically no other lessons. The real aim of this school is not so much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness, kindness to others, and being responsible citizen. Look out of the window a minute, will you? I went to the window, which I looked overlooked a large garden and a playground at the back. What do you see? Miss Beam asked. So this one is the chapter. In this chapter, the writer describe about a different kind of school. The whole meaning of the summary of the chapter is that the narrator had heard a lot of good things about Mr. Beam and her school. Mr. Beam was known for using simple teaching method in a perfect way, right? Sometimes we are also doing the same things in the schools, because only teaching is not a not a thing to make understand the students, but we have to do uh, look like a interactive or impressive like this, so that students make much more interest on the studies. The narrator, uh, in the same thing, the narrator visit the school. He posed some questions to the teacher, so told him that she taught nothing special but simple calculation and write. The boy girl are were taught who to do things independently without any help. Few things were read to them. Interesting talks were held to raise their interests. The main objective and aim of the school was to make students more thoughtful. The main adjective is what? The main objective was an aim of the school was to make student more thoughtful and responsible citizen. We are also teaching you in a school, so our aim is to, like, modified you as a thoughtful person and responsible citizen. In the same way, the narrator went to the school garden, which were beautiful, maintained. There he noticed a poor little girl being helped by a boy. He also saw a girl with a crutches. That she thought the one was blind and the another was lame. But Miss Beam explained that the school observed of one blind, one lame, one deaf, one injured, and one dumb day for every child in a term. So these activities make the children more thoughtful and concerned. Sometimes we are also doing the same activities. Sometimes we are doing the same activities like we are going to do the drawings also, we are going to take a games period also. So in that particular activities, your thoughts are also thoughts and concern are there. On the blind day, eyes are bandaged of one child and the other child help the blind thought the day. This game become a great learning for both the blind and their helpers. Thereafter, Miss Beam took the narrator to one of the bandage girl. The girl shared her feelings and learning with him. She related how she felt scared of being hit at every one moment, and this feeling was the most painful one. After this experience, the narrator realized that he had also developed a concerned attitude toward the disabled. He told Miss Beam that he was sorry to leave her school. She felt happy to know that the system in her school was good and her teaching style and way of impacting values were marvelous. So that's all about in this chapter. We'll learn these things in this chapter. So in this chapter, a different kind of school, a narrator is saying that he had heard a lot of about a Mr. Beam school, but he got a chance to visit uh, in the previous school. When he arrived on site, but the girl, about 12 years, her eyes were covered with a bandage, means she had a blindfold on her eyes and she was being led carefully between the flowers bed by a little boy who was about 4 years younger. So this one is a story about a school. So all of you students, you have to learn this story. I already described you the story summary. I tell you in once more the summary of the chapter. It's a different kind of school. The narrator had heard a lot of good things about Miss Beam and her school. Miss Beam was known for using simple teaching method in a perfect way. The narrator visited the school. He posed some questions to the teacher. She told him that she thought nothing special but simple calculation and writing. The boy The boys and the girl were taught how to do things independently without any help. Few things were read to them. Interesting talks were held to raise their interest. The main objective and aim of the school was to make students more thoughtful and responsible citizens. The narrator went to the school garden, which was beautiful maintained. There he noticed a poor little girl being helped by a boy. He also saw a girl with a crutches. He thought that one was blind and the other was lame. But Miss Beam explained that the school absorbed one blind, one lame, one deaf, one injured, and one dumb day for every child in a town. These activities make the children more thoughtful and concerned. On the blind day, eyes and bandage of one child and other child help the blind thoughtful throughout the day. This game become a great learning for both the blind and their helper. Thereafter, Miss Beam looked the narrator to one of the bandaged girl. The girl shared her feelings and learning with him. She related how she felt scared of being hit at every moment, and this feeling was the most painful one. After their experience, the narrator realized that he had also developed a concerned attitude toward the disabled. He told Miss Beam that he was sorry to leave her school. She felt happy to know that the system is her school was good, and her teaching style and way of impacting values were marvelous. So this one is a different kind of school. So he described this chapter. So this one is the whole summary of the chapter. Students, you have to listen this video again and again, and I'm also sending you the hard words and the meaning of the words. You have to note down that hard words and the meaning of the words in your classwork notebook, and then after send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. Right, so all of you, what you need to do is, because right now we are at home near about 3 4 months or 2 3 months, so all of you, I know that you all are not doing work. Some of the student asking for first chapter and the second chapter of computer, so it's very bad, because all of you students are not doing your work in a proper manner. If you are doing your work in a proper manner, it's not gonna happen. And I'm sure I'm not giving you, any one of you, I'm not giving you the previous chapters and the question and answer. You have to do it yourself, because you lost all the things whatever we explained in the previous days. So students, I'm really sorry for that. I am very angry for that, because you are not doing your work properly. School is going to help you out in everywhere, in every stage. He is giving you each and every help how to complete your work, but you are not responsible. So students, what you need to do is, you have to complete your work, because maybe from Monday you are going to come to school. So students, please, please, please complete your work in a proper manner. And I'm also sending you the next video. You have to watch that particular video also, and note down the hard words and the meanings of the chapter, and write it down in your classwork copies with the chapter name, right? So all of you students, I hope all of you understand. And and please make sure, whenever you are going to come to school, all of you have to complete your work in each and every subject. Doesn't matter that one is an English subject or a computer subject. Only my subject doesn't matter. You have to complete your work on maths as well as Hindi science, SST, and computer also. In each and every subject, you have to complete your work. You have the days to complete your work, and you have a lot of time to do the work, right, student? That's all about today's class, and I'm sending you the next video also. Thank you. Have a nice day.